Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. This is Dr. Lin Xiaowu. I'm assistant professor at the Department of Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering, and also the program leader of Master of Science in Aviation Engineering and Operations Management. So let me share some information of our program. First, regarding our campus. So as you can see from the map, we have a very functional, compact, which means that so once you join this program, you can expect a vibrant campus life, and also the great location. I think we have the best location among all the Hong Kong institutions. The great location of our university also gives you a great opportunity to explore Hong Kong, right? Okay, so for our department, the Department of Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering, in short, AAE. So it's under the Faculty of Engineering. So AAE is I can say the only academic department in Hong Kong's institutions that focus primarily on aerospace and aviation engineering. And we have a very strong academic team in these areas. So PolyU has been continuously increasing its performance in various academic rankings for the universities. So we are now 65 globally in the QS ranking. And also according to the latest Times ranking, we have actually improved from last year's 87th to this year's 84th. And also, if you look at the subject ranking regarding our subject, we rank number 44 in the subject of aerospace engineering globally. And PolyU has also made a list of 7 strategic research domains or development domains for which the university support with priorities. And we can see that both these aerospace and aviation are included in the strategic domains for of our university. So our department, AAE, so in AAE, we have 6 research areas. So our program is, this program is more related to aviation engineering. And you can also find further information from our website. So also and also the supervisor information is also listed in our website. So if you are interested in working with a supervisor as a part-time student research assistant during your master degree studies, or you want to working on a dissertation with a supervisor, you may wish to explore more on the website, right? Okay, so let's focus on the major research areas in aviation engineering or our like supervisors in aviation engineering. So what are their like research focuses? So these areas may are also those you may encounter in the classes, in the courses, and can be related to your dissertation on a later stage. So the first one is airline operations management. The topics include, for example, air transport, network design, which basically focus on how to determine the origin destinations of flights and what should be the optimal frequencies of these flights between different origin and destination airports. We also focus on flight scheduling and recovery, basically how to determine the timetable of flights of an airline and how to recover the disrupted flights, and also data-driven predictive maintenance, how to arrange the maintenance of an aircraft to mitigate its impact on the use of the aircraft. So these are our focus for the our research topics for the airline operations management. You will also be able to learn about how to solve this kind of operations management problems during your subject learning. Okay, the second one would be airport operations management, which includes, for example, dynamic flight to gate assignment in different runway systems. Basically, how to optimize the assignment of gates to the flights in order to minimize the walking distance of the passengers. And also airport ground service for cargo and passenger. Basically, how to determine the routes of the ground service trucks or other vehicles for serving the aircraft in an airport. And we also have a focus, have a research topic in flight separation in the final approach. This relates to the scheduling of aircraft or for landing or for taking off from the runways in airport to ensure safety and to reduce delays for the aircraft. Okay, the third area is air traffic flow control and management. So for example, we look at air traffic flow and airspace management, how to design the aircraft flows to the corridors in airspace in order to reduce the congestion and to mitigate environmental impacts of the aircraft. And also flight trajectory prediction and safety assessment, how to predict the trajectory of an aircraft so that to better control it. And also how to improve the transportation efficiency through multi-airport, multimodal coordination for passenger and cargo transportation. And the first part is on human factors, including the evaluation of the situational awareness of air traffic control officers, and also the development of sustainable human-machine collaboration schemes. So we also have professors working in the area of air mobility and the logistics. So these topics include, for example, UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle-based service network design for cargo transportation, and also the air taxi service network design for passenger transport. Okay, so then we move to the subjects, the curriculum of the program. So we offer a variety of subjects covering methodology subjects like operations research, artificial intelligence, air transport economics, human factor, and also some subjects focusing on the domain applications. For example, flight standards and airworthiness, airport operations, aircraft control, air traffic control, fleet management, and the sustainability of aviation, air mobility and also financial strategies and aircraft leasing. So if we do a little summarize something here, is that basically in the curriculum of the program, students will learn how to apply the methods they learn to practice these methods in aviation in order to improve the efficiency of aviation. Okay, so regarding the jobs, the job prospects, so we actually have one cohort of graduates from the AAE Master Program. So these are the employers for the graduates. So we have graduates joining PolyU PhD program for further studies or taking up some research assistant positions at PolyU or at this ASRC, PolyU Air Service Research Center, and also some graduates joined like airlines, aircraft manufacturers, and also some are working for the airports. So we also have those joining other industries. For example, China Mobile, we have those joining BYD and Fidelity. So if you are keen on finding a job in Hong Kong after graduation, so our program can also serve as a very good opportunity. So we also have a number of students who found the positions in Hong Kong, including we have just mentioned the research institutions, including like Hong Kong Airlines, and also the real estate and also financial companies in Hong Kong. Okay, so regarding more information of the basic information of our master program, so we have a mixed mode of study. Students can apply both like full-time and part-time study for, and also the normal duration would be 1.5 years for full-time student and 2.5 years if you are doing your studies part-time. And if in total, students have to complete 31 credits for graduation, including 30 from the subjects we have just mentioned before, and also one additional graduate for academic integrity and ethics. So there are also two options for achieving these 30 credits. One is to do 10 subjects, including 6 AAE core subjects and 2 AAE elective subjects. And alternatively, students can study 7 subjects, including at least 6 AAE core subjects, and also do a dissertation, which equivalent to 3 subjects. Okay, so regarding the tuition fee and other application information, so the tuition fee would be 7,700 per credit for both local and non-local students. So and our deadline for application to join the program would be April 30th next year. So we have limited quota for recruiting students, which is 60 for both the full-time and part-time students. And our department also offers scholarships for students, especially if you are doing a dissertation mode, then when it is possible to apply for a 5,000 monthly scholarship. Regarding the entrance requirement, we welcome like students with a bachelor's degree in engineering, science, or technology. But we will also give like considerations to applicants without a degree in engineering, science, or technology. Your working experience related to aviation will also count in your application. For example, if you are working as a pilot, if you were an air traffic control officer, or if you do some aircraft maintenance works, this all count. And also, the minimum English requirements is 80 or above for TOEFL, and 6 or above in IELTS. So if you have any further inquiry, if you would like to know more information, you can contact our general office of the department, or you can directly contact me or contact Dr. Lee. So here we all have our emails listed here. So if you are interested in the general application and the admission procedures of PolyU, you can also write an email to the academic registry. Okay, so that's all of my sharing today. And if you have questions, please feel free to ask.